Ozone Beauty Kit AR388. It can create O3 negative ions to clean the skin thoroughly, disinfect effectively, improve oily skin. How to use: plug in the power source and take the cover off. Choose Wave 1 for daily care. Place the UV light head on your skin. Choose Wave 2 to balance the oil. Place the UV light head on your skin. Choose Wave 3 to remove acne and inflammation caused by mosquitoes or insects. Place the UV light head on the acne and places bitten by mosquitoes or insects.